Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nahdia Selazhani, ID number 64241065. Project English for Business. Special Staff to the U.S. Ministry of Trade. Personal Identify. Special Staff to the U.S. Ministry of Trade. Introduction. In today's global economy, trade relations play a very important role. This presentation discuss the case of tariff issues between the US and China's entrepreneurs. Launching year 2018-2019. Recent trade balance and protection of domestic industry. Understanding the reason behind tariffs is essential for both sides. Explanation. In today's global economy, trade relations are vital for growth and stability. One notable case is the tariff conflict between the United States and China's entrepreneurs. During 2018-2019. These tariffs were introduced mainly to address the U.S. trade deficit and to protect domestic industry from foreign competition. Understanding the reason behind this tariff helps you see the bigger picture and the challenges faced by both countries. Advantage. From the U.S. perspective, there are some clear benefits to implementing this tariff, such as open access to U.S. market, stable long-term trade agreements, new partnership opportunities. Explanation. From the U.S. point of view, the implementation of tariff brought several benefits. First, it aimed to create open access to the U.S. market for American producers. Second, it encouraged more stable and long-term trade agreements that for domestic business. Let's try the move opened door for new partnership, especially with countries outside China, thereby diversifying trade relations. Disadvantage, however, is important to also recognize the challenge faced by entrepreneurs. Higher product costs, potential loss of China's market share, short-term financial impact. Explanation. However, this tariff also brought disadvantage, especially for China's entrepreneurs. Many face higher costs in exporting goods due to the added tariff. There was also a real threat of losing their share in the U.S. market, which had been a major destination for their product. In the short term, many businesses experienced financial strain and uncertainty. The problems. One of the main issues that arose during this period was the disintermediation among China's exporters. Many Chinese entrepreneurs feel burdened by high tariffs. They fear losing competitiveness international trade. Explanation: one major issue was the dissatisfaction among China's exporters. Many felt that the high tariffs made the less competitive on the international stage. This concern grew stronger as companies feared losing not just profit but also long-term customer and business relationship. Solution 1. To solve these problems, we can propose several approaches, including improve communication between both countries, offer temporary tariff reduction for small business, establish cooperation program. Explanation: to reduce tension and economic burdens, several solutions can be considered. These include improving communication between both countries to avoid misunderstanding, offering temporary tariff relief to small business most affected by the trade war, and launching cooperative programs that help business adjust to new trade realities. Solution 2. Building trust and consistent communication are key in finding long-term solutions. Regular trade meetings, incentives for companies that comply with trade rules, focus on building trust. Explanation: long-term success depends on trust and consistent communication. Regular trade meetings between both governments can help avoid future conflict, providing incentives to companies that comply with fair trade rules, encourage ethical business practices. Ultimately, building mutual trust is key to maintaining stable trade relations. Grapes of marketing. The following is a chart of the trend of trade volume between the US and China from 2017 to 2019. It can be seen that US exports to China have declined, as have China's export to the US after their peak in 2018. Closing and conclusion. In conclusion, while tariffs create challenges, they can also offer new opportunities if managed wisely. To summarize, both countries need to work together for a better future. As a special step, my goal is to ensure smoother trade negotiation and mutual growth. Explanation: in conclusion, tariffs can create both challenges and opportunities. If managed wisely, they can lead to improved practices and fair compensation. However, cooperation is essential. Both the US and China must work together to ensure a more stable and prosperous future. As a special step, my mission is to support some their trade negotiation and improve mutual economic growth. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.